Welcome. In this video we are going to continue making videos about different CAD softwares. In this occasion is the tool to Inventor. With the purpose that these videos are that you can compare what software is better for you, respect Solidworks, CATIA, and Inventor, and Autocad. And for this occasion, we made this piece, something basic, but with these instruction commands, you can see the differences between different software. So let's begin. File, new, standard, use, create, and let's start making this section, and after that we extrude the material this, and finally on the end we will make this profile. In this piece, this is the base, and this is the bushing. Start sketch, select XY plane, and select line, select the two lines. We make construction line. We draw the profile like this, escape. We draw another 3 point, more or less like this. Select this point and this line. We make a coincidence, and this line and this line. Sorry, escape. This line to this arc tangent, and we are going to make a mirror. Select this mirror line, click, apply, done. Okay, we trim this, and we close the profile here to here. We draw a circle and we give measures. This 10 millimeters, and here to here 42 millimeters, and the base is 40 millimeters, and this diameter is 30 millimeters. Slash, and this 15 millimeters, and 3D model, stroke, select this, reverse, in this is flip it, yes, 10 millimeter, sorry, and press the shift key, press scroll button to move like this, select this, share sketch, sorry, Ctrl Z, select, and create a sketch, and we draw a rectangle here to here. We give measures 10 millimeters. Select this line and this collinear, and that's it. 3D extrude 52 millimeters. I forget in this we draw this profile in the center. And we give measures. This is 20 millimeters. Here is 13 millimeters. 3D model, stroke, select this section, and stroke 10 millimeters material. So we finish, and we draw this slot. Select this face, select slot. This is select this and this collinear, and we draw a line here to here. Select second button, extrusion, and select symmetry. Select this and this and this. We give measure here 56 millimeters and 18 millimeters. We draw the two circles like this, select this and this. We select this constraint equal, we give measure, and 18, sorry, Ctrl+C, 18 millimeters, and 3D model, select this section, and OK. This is our piece that you compare the methodology we can use with Solidworks and CATIA, and you choose the better software for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you.